Stop comparing. The game-changing difference between self-awareness and self-acceptance. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Hiba Khan and you're watching Healing Souls. If you have watched my first video, you know that this channel is all about giving psychological tools to navigate mind and thrive. But here's the painful truth. Most people who try to self-improve only focus on one half equation. They get really good at looking at their flaws, but they never move on to the next crucial step. Today, we are going to draw a clear line between self-awareness and self-acceptance, and why missing the difference is the single biggest block to a genuine long-lasting peace. Let's start with the first step, self-awareness. What is self-awareness? Self-awareness is equal to seeing the truth. In simple terms, self-awareness is your psychological mirror. It is the ability to look at yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, your triggers, strengths, and weaknesses objectively without immediate judgment. For example, self-awareness is saying, I notice that when my friend cancels the plan last minute, I feel intense resentment and sadness. Or I recognize that I tend to procrastinate when faced a large task. Now, awareness is essential, but it could be exhausting. Many of us get stuck here, constantly pointing out our own flaws. We become our own harshest critic. This is where acceptance comes in. Now the crucial point. Self-acceptance does not mean you stop wanting to grow. It means you stop attacking yourself while you grow. You can't build a house on a foundation of you constantly tearing down. So let's define self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is equal to accepting reality. Self-acceptance is the act of embracing what the mirror is showing to you and being okay with it right now, right here. It is not resignation, it is a declaration of peace. If awareness is seeing I procrastinate, acceptance is saying I procrastinate and I am still worthy human being. This is a current behavior and not my whole identity. Here's the key takeaway, the difference. The one difference I want you to remember from the counseling session we take or this channel. Self-awareness answers the question, what is the truth about you? The knowledge we have about us. Self-acceptance answers the question, am I worthy despite what is the truth about me? It is the compassion. If you have awareness without acceptance, you have self-criticism. You know all your problems, but you beat yourself up for them. If you have acceptance without self-awareness, well, that is a blissful ignorance. You won't grow. You need them both to create a safety for a genuine change. Here's a counselor's tip. Now is the time for counselor's tip. So how do we build this bridge? Let us take a quick tip often used in therapy. The and statement. Curious? Let's dive in. Instead of saying I messed up the presentation, so I'm a total failure, which is self-criticism, change it to I messed up the presentation and I am capable of learning from it. I am not defined by this one mistake. This is where acceptance comes in. Building this foundation is what Healing Soul is all about. It starts with a clear view and a kind heart. I want to hear from you. What is that one thing about you are aware of that you're going to try accepting today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking to do a deeper work in a confidential space, I do offer, as you know, a private counseling session. You can find the link in the description below how to book a session with me, Hiba Khan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel Healing Souls by Hiba for more science-backed up psychological tools. I'll see you in the next video where we will dive into a new topic, which is how to handle anxiety. Bye.